So, do you know at one point of time, Mossad, Israel's Mossad, and Pakistan's ISI were collaborating? Yes, that happened. And that happened during CIA's most expensive covert operation, which took place between, oh well, it did not happen in Iraq, it did not happen in Vietnam. It took place between 70s and early 90s in Afghanistan. Yes, I'm talking about Operation Cyclone. So, what was Mossad's job? Mossad had captured weapons from the terrorists that it was fighting, the Israeli forces were fighting, and those weapons then were supplied to Afghan mujahids who were fighting against the Soviets or the Russians. And this was being supplied through CIA and ISI. This operation had many interesting aspects to it. Like, what happened was CIA gave their surface to air missiles to Afghan mujahids, and later CIA offered money to the Afghan mujahids who had by then formed Taliban, and they asked them to give the surface to air the Stinger surface to air missiles back to America, and they offered money to Taliban. They were partially successful in doing so. It is something that Trump was considering very recently, that they would offer money to Taliban and take back their weapons from Afghanistan. And then there was another issue that had popped up in this Operation Cyclone, and that was Karachi became one of the most violent cities of the world. Why so? Because most of the weapons which were being supplied to Afghan mujahids, they were being supplied to Karachi port, and from here ISI would supply it to the black market, and then it would be supplied among the locals who were buying it, and of course Karachi became the most violent cities. And to this date, Karachi is extremely violent, and there are a lot of gangs which operate in Karachi. Anyways, I deviated a lot from Mossad, ISI to CIA to Karachi. But the point here is, in geopolitics, there are no permanent enemies and no permanent friends.